Good morning, Yellow Minutes NE staff. This is Mr. Left Principal, just with a quick tutorial on potential resource to use as we prepare for a nice little cozy snowstorm coming up potentially on Friday, January 17th here at the Hive. I want to thank the Staff Development Committee for giving this opportunity of trying out an e-learning day for staff development. I think it'll be valuable. I just want to remind all PLC leaders and PLCs to submit some type of plan that you will be working on over the time frame on the 17th, whether we're here or not here. Also, just a reminder, we have the time just to get ready for the second semester here coming up quickly on Tuesday. One option we have here is to use Google Calendar. In here you will see on Friday under the staff development I do have the activities for the day and the agenda you can see right here. But if you're looking at sitting at home and you would like to sit back and have a cup of coffee while you meet with your peers during PLC time, you can send out a calendar invite where you go into here, and for an example I can add the math team, just as simple as something like that. Then you see on the left here add conferencing, and it will do what's called a Hangout meet. And then here, once you save that and send that out, when you get the calendar reminder, this should be able to pop up, and then you can get into the join the meeting. And then as we have done some training in the past, you can see right here, you can join the meeting, but then also whoever is in the lead for that meeting can present their desktop of anything that they're working on. So once again, if you have any questions of how to do or use this e-learning tool, please let me know. I will need all PLC plans sent to me during this time. More than likely, we will be making up the SEL presenter will be being moved out to the Friday the 14th. So I want to thank you for all you do here for our students and for Yellow Medicine East. If you have any questions on how to use this, please let me know.